Namaste, it's me Manoj Kumar Shah, and today I am going to solve some questions related to the vectors, and that questions are important for class 8 and 9. So before watching this video, you have to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. Direction of a vector. Okay, today I am going to discuss about the direction of a vector. So how to find direction of a vector? Okay, so now direction of a vector, direction of a vector means angle. Okay, we have to find the angle. So tan theta is equals to, formula is what? Say y component upon x component, and we have to find the value of theta. Therefore theta is equals to, direction means here angle, theta is equals to tan inverse y component upon x component. Okay, so now to find the direction we have some condition that we have to be careful. Okay, so first of all we need the knowledge of quadrant. Without knowledge of quadrant we can't solve direction of a vector. So first of all let's learn about the quadrant. This is the origin, x dash, y dash. Okay, now from origin to right hand side, there all is what? Positive. Okay, and now from origin to left hand side, what is there? Negative. Okay, so now from origin to upward, positive. This is positive. From origin to downward, negative. And this positive means this is also positive, like this, positive. This is also
positive.
Yeah, this is the negative. This is also negative. Yeah. And now this is called first quadrant. Okay, this is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. That also we have to understand. First, second, third, fourth. Okay, first quadrant means we all of you know 90 minus theta. This is the 180 minus theta. Here is the 270 minus theta. Here is the 360 minus theta. Okay, if you do plus, then here 90 plus theta is here, 180 plus theta is here, 270 plus theta is here, and 360 plus theta is here. Okay, so now look here in first quadrant. Okay, if x coordinate and y coordinate both positive, then it lies in first quadrant. Okay, now then after x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive, then it lies in second quadrant, like this. So let's solve one question and then after we will understand this. So now question is this. So now we have to find the direction of a vector root 3 1. We have to find here direction. So now first of all solution. Now here a vector is equals to, here given root 3 1. Here x component is root 3 and y component is 1. So both are positive.
Yes.
So both are positive, then it lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. Okay. First quadrant means what? 90 minus theta. Okay. It means your direction or angle come below 90 degree. Understood? So that's why first of all here we know that here x component, you can write x component. Here x component is equals to root 3. Here you can write y component is equals to 1. So for the direction of a vector, we know that the formula tan theta is equals to y component upon x component. So y component is here 1, x component means root 3. 1 by root 3 in tan, I think 30 degree. Yeah, tan 30 degree means what? 1 by root 3. So tan theta right here in the place of 1 by root 3, tan 30 degree right. Therefore theta is equals to 30 degree. Hence the direction of a vector is 30 degree also we can write. Question number 2. Now in question number 2, find the direction of a vector minus root 3 1. So now here x component is what given? X component is equals to minus root 3. Y component is what given here?
1.
1 is given. So first of all, minus root 3 and 1, it lies in which quadrant? That questions I am going to ask with Rita. Okay, Rita, here is x component negative, y component is here positive. It lies in which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Yeah, it lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant means what? 180 degree minus theta. Okay, so give a big hand for us. Right? Here x component is here negative and y component is positive. It lies in second quadrant. Then here theta is below 180 degree. Okay. So now here we know formula, right? We know tan theta is equals to, what is the formula? Y component upon x component. Y component upon x component. Y component means what given? 1. X component is what given? Minus root 3. Yeah. So now 1 by root 3 is the 30 degree value. Am I right?
Yes.
But I say no, minus given there. It lies in second quadrant. Then 180 minus 30 degree. So now tan theta is equals to what you can write? Tan 180 degree minus 30 degree. Therefore theta is equals to 150 degree. And what we can say, direction of A vector is equals to 150 degree. Now we have the question number 3. Find the direction of A vector is equal to root 3 minus 1. Okay, solution. Here x component. Here x component is equals to what given? Root 3. Y component is equals to what given here? Minus 1. Here x positive, y negative. So now it lies in which quadrant? First of all, we have to decide that. And that questions I am going to ask with Mr. Pradeep. Okay, Mr. Pradeep listens to me. Here is the x is positive, x component, and y component is in negative. It lies in which quadrant?
Fourth quadrant.
It lies in fourth quadrant. Yeah, very good. Big hand for it. Very yes, very good. X positive, y negative. It lies in fourth quadrant, means 360 degree minus theta.
Yeah.
Here is the answer is what? Below 360 degree. So now first of all, right, we know the formula. We know that formula. Tan theta is equals to y component upon x component. X component tan theta is equals to y minus 1 root 3, or tan theta is equals to what we can write? Tan 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta means 1 by root 3. Theta means what here come? 30 degree. Yeah, theta means here 30 degree. So why 360 minus 30 degree? Because here x component positive, y component negative. It lies in what? Where? Fourth quadrant. That's why 360 minus theta. But one question to you: why we haven't done 270 plus theta? Why? Yeah, that is also possible, no? But if you do 270 plus theta, then that is mistake. Why? Because in 270, tan change into cot. No, because this is the odd 90 into 3. So don't take 270. Don't take here 270 minus theta. Understood or not? Always take even part. Even part means what? Multiple of 90 must be even. Here 180 means what? 90 into 2. Multiple. There is multiple of 90 is even number. Understood or not? So now here it lies in fourth quadrant. That's why 360 minus 30 degree. Therefore theta is just what become 330 degree. Hence the direction of A vector is 330 degree. Question number 4. In question number 4, here x component. Here x component, find the direction of A vector minus root 3 and minus 1. Here the x component is equals to minus root 3 and y component is here given what? Minus 1. Okay. So now first of all we have to decide it lies in which quadrant. Okay. And that questions I am going to ask with Mr. Ashish. Okay, Mr. Ashish. You have to say this in these questions here minus root 3 minus 1 given, both negative. It lies in which quadrant?
Third quadrant.
It lies in third quadrant. Give a big hand for him. Very good. Very nice. So it's third quadrant. It lies in third quadrant means what? Here is 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. Why not 270 minus theta? Because 270 minus theta means 90 into 3. That is the odd. Odd means that tan change into cot. That's why don't take 270 minus theta. Take 180 plus theta. That's why now right we know tan theta is equals to formula for the direction of A vector. Tan theta is equals to formula. What we can write? Y component upon x component. Y component upon x component. Y component means what here? Minus 1 minus root 3 minus it cancel, yeah? So tan theta is equals to what?
30 degree.
tan 180 plus 30 degree. Okay, so don't forget that. Tan on, yeah, 1 by root 3 means 30 degree. But we already decided what? When you are going to find the direction, lies in which quadrant, that first decide. Is third quadrant. Third means 180 plus theta, means 180 plus 30 degree. Therefore, theta is equal to what come? 210 degree. Hence, the direction of A vector is equal to 210 degree. Okay, so now some questions I am going to solve related to the vector. So question number 1, if A coordinate 2, 2, B coordinate 6, 5, find A vector and magnitude of AB vector. So this is very easy questions now. Here is the A coordinate is given 2, 2, B coordinate is given 6, 5. Okay, we have to find AB vector. So now AB vector. How to find AB vector? So formula you know or not? What is the formula? X2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1. X2 means x1 y1, x2 y2. X2 means 6 minus 2, 5 minus 2. Therefore, AB vector is equal to what we can write here?
4, 3.
Yeah, 4, 3. 4, 3 we can write. Here x component is what? 4, y component is 3. You can write like this form also. No problem. Okay. Next question is what given here? Magnitude of AB vector. So now for the second part, magnitude of AB vector. So what is the formula?
Root
under x component whole square plus y component whole square. Okay, x component whole square, x component is here 4 square plus 3 square. Okay, 16
plus 9,
25. Therefore, magnitude of A vector is equal to 5 unit. This is our answer. Now, question number 2. If the coordinate of P is minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 2, and PQ vector is 6, 3, find OQ vector. So it means here P coordinate is given. This means OP vector is given minus 2, minus 2. So we have to find OQ vector. We don't know OQ vector. That's why we can write X, Y we can say, or AB also we can say. Now PQ vector value is what given? PQ vector is given 6, 3 given, or we can write in this form 6, 3 also. Okay. So now we know the formula. PQ vector formula is what? Then x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1. So in the place of PQ I wrote here formula. Here 6, 3 is same here. So now here PQ means this x1 y1 x2 y2. So what will come now? Then x to x minus plus 2, because x2 minus x1. Okay, y2 minus y means y plus 2 is equal to 6, 3. Now we can say what? Equating the corresponding elements. Equating the corresponding elements. Equating the corresponding elements. X plus 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Now, y plus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to what we can write? 1. It means here OQ vector is equal to xy given here. So, what is the value of xy? 4, 1. But this is not our final answer. Question is asking, find the magnitude of OQ vector. So, now, according to question is asking OQ vector magnitude. So, formula is what given? X component whole square plus y component whole square. So x component whole square means 4 square plus 1 square 16 and plus 1 17 root 17 unit. Therefore OQ vector magnitude is equal to root under 17 unit. In question number 3, if P coordinate 3, 4, Q coordinate 6, P minus 4, and PQ magnitude of PQ vector is equal to 5 unit, find the value of P. We have to find this value of P. So now solution. Here P coordinate means you can write OP vector also same things 3, 4. Then after you can write OQ vector is equal to 6, P minus 4. You can write here. So magnitude of PQ vector is given 5. Yeah. Here 5 given. So now first of all we have to find PQ vector. First of all, we have to find PQ vector, then only magnitude. Now, so PQ vector. What is the formula of PQ vector? X2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1. x2 minus x1. Here is the x1 y1, x2 y2. 6 minus 3 and y2 minus 1, p minus 4 minus 4. So what will come here? 3 comma p minus 8. This is the pq vector. So now we have to find what? Magnitude of pq vector. Now we have to find again. We have to find magnitude of pq vector. What is the formula? Root under x component whole square plus y component whole square. So here magnitude of pq vector value is what given? 5. Here magnitude of pq vector is given 5. 5 root under x component whole square means 3a square plus y component whole square means p minus 8 whole square. Now what we can do? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Now we get what we get? 5 square what will come? 25. Here squaring on both sides means this root removes. Here 3 square means 9 plus a minus b whole square formula use. A square minus 2ab 16p, yeah, plus b square means what come? 64. All this side, all from the left hand side bring in right hand side. So now here p square minus 16p. So this and this, if you add, then what will come? 64 plus 9, what will come? 73 minus 25 is equal to 0. So now here p square minus 16p. Now plus subtract 73 minus 25, what will come?
48.
48. Sure, 48? Yes. Is equals to 0. Now factorize it. Okay, 48. First into last. Midterm factor you can also say. So now here 1 and 48. 1 into 48, 48. 48 break into two parts. Plus that after adding or subtracting 16p will come. So what we can do here?
12 into 4.
P square 12 plus 4. Yeah. So minus 12p minus 4p plus 48 is equals to 0. So what we can write? P common, then p minus what will come? Here p common, then p minus 12 minus 4, p minus 12 is equals to 0. So what? P minus 12, p minus 4 is equals to 0. So either or we can do. Either p minus 12 is equals to 0. Therefore p is equals to what will come? 12. Either or p minus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore p is equals to what come? 4. Now question number 4. We have question number 4. If AB vector is given, here AB vector is given 6y. You can write 6 comma y also in the form. And magnitude of AB vector is given 10 unit. So now magnitude of AB vector given, then we can use here formula. What is the magnitude of AB vector? X component whole square plus y component whole square. It means 10. Here x component means 6 square plus y square is equals to 10. Now what we can do? Squaring on both sides. Now we get what? We get 36 plus y square is equals to 100. Yeah. So now what will come? Y square is equals to 100 minus 36. Okay, y square is equals to what comes? 64.
Y value 8.
Yeah, y is equals to now root under plus minus root under 64. Therefore y is equals to what come? Plus minus 8. So y value is here plus minus 8. But one thing is here, this value, positive value or negative value we have to take. Now that is the questions here. Y value, if you put here positive value also, then magnitude will same come or not? And negative value also, magnitude will same come. Okay, that both answer we can write here. For the question number 5, if AB vector, here AB vector is given 4 3, it means 4 comma 3. Okay, now here BC vector is given BC vector 6 8, that means 6 comma 8. Okay, and here condition given AB vector plus BC vector is equal to AC vector, and find AC vector. So we have the condition AB vector plus BC vector is equal to AC vector. So now put value here. AB vector value is what given? 4 comma 3. BC vector value is what given? 6 comma 8. Now we have to find AC vector. So now 4 plus 6 what will come? 10. 3 plus 8 11 is equals to AC vector, and now therefore AC vector is 10 comma 11 we can write. Now question is asking what? Magnitude of AC vector. Okay, so magnitude of AC vector asking, then what is the formula? Root under x component whole square plus y component whole square. Okay, so now x component means 10 square, y component 11 square, 100 plus 121, what will come? 221. Find in root, what will come? Magnitude of AC vector. Root under 221 is what will come?
Point.
Yeah, tell me what the point?
14.6.
Tell me.
14.86.
14.86. We can write unit. This is our answer. Number 6. If A vector is given 4 2, A vector is given 4 2. This is in column form. Row form is this. B vector is given, and B vector is given 6 8. 6 8. 6 comma 8, and A vector plus B vector is equal to 2C vector. This is our given condition. Okay, find C vector and magnitude of C vector. So now we have the given condition: A vector plus B vector is equal to 2C vector. So now put the value of A vector. What is there? 4 2 plus B vector value is what given? 6 comma 8 is equal to 2C vector, right? Same. So now 8. 4 plus 6 10, 2 plus 8 10 comma 10. These two goes in here, divide C vector, therefore C vector is what come? 2 5 comma 5. This divides both 5 comma 5. Now we have to find what? Magnitude of C vector. So now again we can write again magnitude of C vector. Magnitude of C vector means root under formula x component whole square plus y component whole square. X component whole square, 5 square plus 5 square, what will come? 50. Okay, 50 is equal to what?
5 root 2.
Yes, 5 root 2 unit. Thank you, sir. In the question number 7, the position vector of A and B are 3, 4 and 1, 5. So position vector of A and B means what? OA vector is equal to given 3 4, it means 3 comma 4, and position vector of B means OB vector, and OB vector is given 1 5, it means 1 comma 5. Find magnitude of AB vector. First of all we have to find AB vector. What is the formula of AB vector? x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1. Simply we can use, so x1 y1 x2 y2. X2 means 1 minus 3 comma 5 minus 4. Therefore AB vector is equal to what will come? Minus 2 comma 1. We have to find magnitude also. So magnitude of AB vector, what is the formula? Yes, good. Root under x component
square plus
y component whole square, x component whole square minus 2 whole square plus 1 whole square. 4 plus 1 what? 4 plus 1, therefore root 5 unit. But this is not our complete answer. We have to find direction of AB vector. So now look here. Here AB vector is given. X component is negative and y component is positive. It lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant means what? 180 minus theta. So now for direction of AB vector, tan theta is equal to what is the formula? Y component upon x component. Okay, y component means what here? 1. X component means what? Minus 2. Okay, so now it lies in second, tan theta is equal to it is not a standard value.
Yes.
So not a standard value, then what we can do? It is not, theta is equal to first of all tan inverse, okay, minus 1 by 2 we can do. First of all tan inverse 1 by 2, what value will come? Tan inverse 1 by 2 do. Tan inverse 1 by 2, what value will come? Yeah, shift tan inverse 1 by 2 means 0.5 also you can put easily. Shift tan
0.46. 0.46.
0.46 will come? No. Here 1 by 2, if you only press, the theta value is 22.5 will come, but this lies in second quadrant, that's why 180 minus 22.5. Therefore theta value is what? 180 minus 22.5. 180 minus 22.5. Yes, yes. 100.5 degree. Thank you very much, person. Yeah. A coordinate is given 8, 2. A coordinate. B coordinate is given 2, 12. B coordinate. C coordinate is given 12, 2. And D coordinate is given 6, 12. Then, so that we have to prove. We have to prove AB vector parallel to CD vector. Okay? That's why first of all we have to find AB vector. So what is the formula AB vector? X2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1. So it will be x1 y1, x2 y2. The x2
minus 8.
2 minus 8. Yes. Then after 12 minus 2. Now what becomes minus 6 comma 10. Thank you. Now AB vector is this. Now we have to find CD vector. Yes. CD vector find. Now CD vector is given here x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 formula. So CD yeah, x1 y1 x2 y2. 6 minus 12 6 minus 12 comma 12 minus 2 12 minus 2. So what will come here? Therefore CD vector is equal to what will come? Minus
6,
10. Minus 6 comma 10. Look here, AB vector and CD vector both are equal. It means what? Therefore, so AB vector is equal to here what here? K times here CD vector. Therefore we can write here AB vector parallel to CD vector proved. Question number 9. In question number 9, if AB vector 4, 5, so we can write AB vector is equal to 4, 5 like this, and we can write 4, 5 also AB vector. So now given PQ vector is given here 2p 10. Then what we can write? 2p 10, and PQ AB vector and PQ vector are parallel to each other. Find the value of P. So here AB vector parallel to what? PQ vector. So we know the condition. Okay. According to questions, we know the condition. If two vectors are parallel, then what is the condition? AB vector is equal to K times PQ vector. So now AB vector value is what given? 4, 5. K times PQ vector is value is what given? 2p, 10. Now we can multiply. Yeah. 2pk, 10k, pk. Do you saw the pk movie?
Yes.
Nice movie, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Equating the corresponding element. First of all, find the value of k. Equating the corresponding elements. Equating the corresponding elements means what? 10k is equal to 5. Means k is equal to 5 by 10. Therefore k value is 1 by 2. So now what we can write another? Yeah, 4 is equal to 4 is equal to 2pk. So now 4 2pk. K value is what here? 1 by 2 to cancel. Therefore p value what will come? 4. In this way we can get the value of p. Question number 10. If p coordinate is given here a square comma b square, and q coordinate is given here 8, 6. R coordinate is given 2, 2, and S coordinate is given 6,